I went to Dr. Bonati's Spine Institute because I have neck problem and headache right after I have my back surgery with the different neurosurgeon. I have numbness in my right leg, and it was suggested to, if I have a surgery, 80% of that numbness is going to go away, which it did. So I was able to walk, stand or stuff. But after that, my neck started, and I thought maybe because after the surgery, the position I have to sit or sleep, it's affect my neck, but it wasn't. But the orthopedic surgeon says nothing they can do except go to the pain management. It's not to the point that needs surgery. So I went through the pain management. I have injection in my neck, my skull, like 10 injections in the total. It helps for maybe a few weeks. And after that, I was back to square one.
Yeah, the fun thing about working here is our patients all get better. When you deal in pain management, which is my specialty here, mainly I'm in, patients a lot of times are on narcotics all their life, they're on pumps, they're on stimulators. We don't get that. Our patients, when they come here a lot of times on heavy duty drugs, and when they leave, they're off those. Or if they come here on a pain pump, by the time that they're done here, the pain pump's turned off. So, you know, you see a patient, and I said this a million times, they have a frown on their face, a furrowed brow when they come in, and when they leave, they've totally done a personality change.
I was written up because of missing too many days of work. So my job was in jeopardy, losing my job because of my absence, not my performance. You know, it's gets you to the point that you drag yourself every day out of bed, but then you cannot finish the day. I have two daughters. One just turned 24. My youngest one, May, turned 21. We couldn't do anything as a family. We couldn't sit down and talk because I was in pain and impatience, and usually regular conversation end up with the arguments or sort of like disagreements, and it's affect your family life. It's affect your children, your work. You're not able to communicate, or you don't feel like talking to anybody because you're in so much pain every day. That's besides the like normal routine jobs that you have to fulfill. It makes you feel useless. My experience, the first day I had an appointment, just as far as like a pre-op or review, MRI review. And he started explaining based on the x-ray that what's wrong with those two levels and what type of pain I feel or I should feel. And it was exactly how I felt in the different level he was talking about. And he immediately, I have that trust because I haven't even told him what's wrong, what I experienced. The second day after surgery, I start moving around. They told me don't lift anything heavy, and I tried, and it wasn't hurting me. And you know, I was very excited. I was happy. After almost 2.5 years, I'm able to, you know, do this stuff, and I'm not gonna constantly say I'm in pain, I have headache, my neck hurt. It was a big relief. I do stuff with my daughters. When they want to go to the mall, they want to spend time with me. Now I'm able. It's not like, okay, let's see how mom feels this weekend to plan anything as a family. Me and my husband, we go to function. We just had our 25th anniversary. We went with some of our friends to cruise. We do things, we go dancing. That's something I have a hard time to do because I couldn't move. I couldn't be in my feet for that long without, you know, hurting myself or feeling in pain. Now we, you know, participate in the functions, and even my marriage is better. The experience I have, it was a wonderful experience, and I suggest it to anybody have any problems, spine problem, contact Badia Spine Institute. They are so friendly, and they welcome you. You feel like they know you, or you are their friends or best friends. That's how they treat every patient walk through the door. So you feel like you're home. You're not in the institute or outpatient surgery center. You feel like family. They take care of you, and you'd be amazed how quickly you feel relief, and you regretted that why you didn't contact the Bonati Institute earlier. Don't wait. Don't wait like I did, because it's affect your family and you losing a day of spending a good quality life with your family, with your friends. Don't lose that moments with your children. If you have a young children and you are in pain and waking up every day with the headaches related to your neck, don't delay it, because one day it passed, it's going to be a week, it's going to be a month, and then you're losing that time with your family, which you cannot get back.
Well, it's amazing to see somebody who is sick and is without hope and has situations where they were already told that nothing can be done, and we can correct that.
The procedure I have at the Bonati Spine Institute brought the life and the light back to my life, brought my family together again. We are, as a team, we are together, we love each other, and now I can enjoy my family. Do it now. Just pick up the phone and call. It's a free, it's no charge to anybody for consultation, and send your MRI, send your report. And if you're a candidate, you can make an appointment and make that trip to go. It's worth it.